as the word is coined beautifully and the acronyms have been said as Basesh Gala. So, yeah, I'm going to be close to sales and Basesh Gala both. Recommend this to anybody and everybody who's looking to bring that spark and take their business to the next level.
And the practical speed which I have experienced by working with him is fabulous.
And sir gave very practical and very detailed information with lot of examples which really helped me.
The program was very good. It was very informative.
And I'm willing to go for this program. I would refer everyone to attend this session and get the benefit out of it and get the solution to all your businesses.
And this is really a eye opener.
By learning in his session, बशिश गाला जी के सेशन में जो मैंने आज जो लर्न किया उससे लगा नो आई हैव नॉट वेस्टेड माय संडे बट आई गेन फ्रॉम माय संडे.
ये सेशन किताबी ज्ञान से काफ़ी डिफरेंट एक प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच के साथ था.
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ये अटेंड किया वेबिनार, लेकिन बहुत मज़ा आया और बहुत सीखने को मिले.
एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हिम इज़ उनका जो वैल्यू एडिशन है आपकी लाइफ में, इट्स लाइक अनमैचेबल.